Hey, what's up guys, Search Exclusive here. In today's video we're going to go over how to start an affiliate marketing website from scratch with zero coding required, but you do have to make an investment on creating a website, So without no further ado, let's get started with this video. Hey, what's up guys, I'm in my computer right now. I'm going to show you how you guys could create a affiliate marketing business using a website. So I use Bluehost because I personally use Bluehost, and I actually think it's the beginner friendly web hosting that provided that you guys could use. It's easy to use, no hashtags, it's a one-click install with WordPress. There's a couple of other ones. If you guys want to know more, click the link in the description below. For I do actually have a ranking on the best web hosting, if you guys want to know which one's good for you and this and that. So the link is down below, so go check it out if you guys feel free, or you guys could use Bluehost, which I use. Alright, so let's get started with using this. So first I'm gonna show you how you guys get set up using web hosting and all that stuff. So you click get started now. There's 3 different plans, the basic, the plus, the prime. I didn't use this one for the beginning. I actually went to this one when I first started affiliate marketing. So this is the one I went for, but you guys could easily see this one. So I'm gonna click this one for people who want to start their affiliate marketing business under $100. So first you guys gotta choose your free domain. Yes, you guys do get a free domain when you sign up for Bluehost. Some web hostings don't provide that, so if you guys want to get a free domain, you could you go to Bluehost and get one, and get the web hosting all together. Because some web hosting you have to pay for the domain name, which is roughly about $11 to $15 depending on what domain you want. To choose your domain, it has to match up on what your website is about. Let's say like SoundRecordNow.com. That's basically for electronics and sounds like Bluetooth speakers, stuff like that. It goes with the categories that you guys are trying to promote, like how to create a website. I show people on what is it about. I show value on how to create a website and stuff like that. So just pick a domain name. It doesn't have to be all fancy. Just keep it simple, guys. So after you do that, you're gonna put all your information. Pretty simple, guys. Then the package information. You don't need all the extra stuff that they're giving you, like this and this. The code card basic and the site lock security. If you guys want to get it, go ahead and get it, but you don't really need that. I do recommend though to get the domain privacy protection. It protects your information, stuff like that. Let's say you click on this domain, and then it shows you like the information. Like if you use your domain, let's say if you don't have that one, it'll show all your information and like where you live, your name and stuff like that, but if you get the domain privacy protection, it'll actually give out Bluehost information instead of yours. So I do recommend using that if you guys want to. So yeah, so it actually goes by monthly plans. Like let's say you get 3 years of web hosting with this server, you actually get the discount of $295 if you use 3 years. If you get if you just used 12 months, you actually pay $495. If you guys want to go into that, $60 right at the dot. It'll actually be $71.28, which is not bad if you guys want to start off your affiliate marketing business with under $100, you guys could actually do that. So do all that, then add your credit card and all that stuff. Now I'm gonna show you how you guys could create content for your website. So let's get into my stuff. Hey, what's up guys? This is my example account. So just keep it casual. It's pretty easy to create to create content into your reviews. If you guys don't like writing reviews, you can actually go to Fiverr and outsource your reviews and stuff like that. It's pretty easy. It's actually as low as $5 if you guys want to get into that. I'll leave the link down below if you guys want to go check out Fiverr. But it's pretty easy, guys. So let's go to the dashboard real quick. So it's pretty casual, guys. It has post, media. Media is where you keep all your photos, videos, music, stuff like that. Pages is where all the pages and posts is where you guys are gonna post all your content to. So your blog posts and stuff like that. Appearances to customize how you want your website to look, like themes, customizing widgets, menus, headers, stuff like that. Plugins installed. Plugins where I highly recommend to use some of plugins. Like SEO plugins so you guys could rank on Google and Bing and stuff like that. It's pretty easy, guys. Alright, so let's go to post and create a blog. So just go to add new. Let's do something about Gym. For affiliate marketers, you guys want to give value first and then you guys promote something in the end. It's 80% value, 20% promotions. So just give value. So yeah, guys, now to publish this article, all you gotta do is press publish. That's pretty simple. It's common sense, stuff like that. And then you guys can actually preview this. So let's go visit the site. Alright guys, so you go to blogs, right? And it's right here. You see how pretty easy? Like there's multiple blog posts and stuff like that. Like I said before, this is my dummy account. So it's where I do all my tutorials on how to create a website. So you just click on it and there you have it, guys. Your first content of your blogs. I actually will set up your blog for you guys if you guys don't have the time, and I'll do it for free. So if you guys want to know more information, click the link in my description down below, and to get all the info, what you guys want me to do and stuff like that. So yeah, guys, it's pretty easy to do an affiliate marketing website. Just give value first, like I said before, and then give the promotion in the end. If you have not yet picked out an affiliate program, I recommend Amazon Associates. Beginner friendly. You guys do not need when you guys sign up, you do not need a website. You can actually first go through the products that they have for you to recommend and stuff like that, and then you could create your website after. You can also use YouTube to review products and stuff like that, but this video is about creating a website for affiliate marketing, and best one I recommend is Amazon Associates. There's other affiliate programs that you guys could use, but my recommendation is an Amazon Associates, because you guys could literally promote anything you guys want in any niche, like makeup, working out stuff, working out outfits, electronics, video games, all that kind of stuff. all that cool stuff. So yeah guys, this wraps up my video for today. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I will be giving you guys value each time you guys see my videos. So if you guys have any questions, comment down below. I'll get right back to you. Also, if you guys want to follow me on all my social media platforms at Surge_exclusive, I will give you guys I will be doing giveaways soon on my social medias. So if you guys want to check that out, feel free to do so. So this video is over. I'll catch you in another one. Peace.